and welcome to the Beginner to Professional Complete Photoshop Guide by Eduonix. This course will be your one-stop shop learning guide for everything you need to know about Adobe Photoshop. Your instructor for this course will be Matthew, and he will help you learn the most important design tool out there in the market. Matthew has over a decade-long experience in graphic and UI design. In this course, you will start with Photoshop from scratch, so if you have no idea how to work with Photoshop, then sit back and relax. However, before you start, you should have Photoshop open and ready to work along with the instructor to get the most out of this course. If you do not have Photoshop involved, you can download a trial copy or purchase a full copy at www.adobe.com/go/try Photoshop. So what can you expect in this course? In this course, you will learn how to get started with your Photoshop, including how to create and work with your workspace, how to open and create new documents, and also how to work with layers and blending them. We will go over various tools that are available in Photoshop, including selection tools, manipulation tools, and creation tools. We will also learn how to work with the workflow. You will also learn how to correct the photo, including for distortion, liquify, as well as different effects such as blurring, hazing, grunge, and so much more. You will then progress on to advanced functions and features of Photoshop, such as beauty retouching, in which you will learn how to retouch human skin, eye, teeth, and hair for beauty shots. You will also learn how to work with certain Adobe extensions. Adobe extensions are certain programs that help accentuate Photoshop's abilities. Adobe programs like Lightroom, Bridge, and Camera Raw are some of these extensions. And finally, you will learn about advanced retouching, in which you will retouch photos for fashion, lighting, and product retouching. All of this is packed in this comprehensive course. This tutorial can help you transition from a newbie Photoshop artist to a professional. So if you want to master Photoshop, hopefully we'll see you inside this course.